Hello, and this is Jim from Tech Buzz. Today we've got a really cool product in from QUMI, which I think that's how you pronounce it, and it's the Z1V portable projector. It's got VWGA 1080p support, LED, Bluetooth speaker, 2x5 watt speakers built in, auto keystone, and 2 hours of battery life. So this is what we're looking at here, and on the back it will tell us that we have got in palm size portability, multimedia player, Bluetooth stereo speaker, HDMI port ready, USB flash drive reader, and micro SD expansion, which is excellent. So let's take it out, and we'll just pop out the pieces first. And in the box you will get your usual instruction guides, like so, and your quick start guide. And in here we have got a nice case to carry it in, which is cool, with the branding on the side there. We have got our adapter here, and of course this is the remote control, so pretty standard features on that, and a simple battery that you'll find in your typical car alarm or something similar. So just pop them to one side and we'll check out the unit itself, if we can find where to start. So it's got a real nice fabric touch to it, really nice to hold, nice bit of weight in it, and you can see our lens up here on the front with the branding here, and the Z1V up on top. On the back then we have got our source here for power, and we also have our micro SD slot there, HDMI, USB, and another port there. So there's actually for your headphones, and this is for your power here. On the bottom it's got rubber feet all the way around there, and on the side here we have another button here which we presume is for zoom and focus and so on, so we'll check that out. And up on top then we have got some other functions as well, and we've got our power here, we've a battery indicator there, a back button there with looks of it, navigation key here in the middle, and we presume this is a light here and so on, and a home button there, and we can check it out then when we plug it in and have our full review. But this is just a quick first look and unboxing of the product itself, and we look forward to taking it from Vivitek. And really nice unit. It is portable, it is small, it is ideal, and a lot of people are now moving to projecting rather than TVs and so on, so they're a great idea. And a lot of them are pretty big and bulky, but this one here isn't, it's pretty small, and as I said, you get a nice case to pop it into as well. And there seems to be a mount on the bottom here, so if you have some kind of tripod you can also move it around to wherever it may suit, because you want to be projecting onto a surface or whatever the case may be. But we'll show you the results of that later on, and if you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to ask at techbuzzorange.com. I'll drop a link about the product and more about it in the blog post below, and we look forward to seeing the results that we get here. But it's a full functional speaker and projector, the whole lot in one, with storage, HDMI, USB, so you can read some files off your flash drives if you have them, films on them, which a lot of people tend to do, so pretty handy. Just plug it in and away you go, and pretty simple. Stay tuned for more, techbuzzorange.com. We have lots of cool products on the way, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.